Good day. We are presenting our business pitch called Umilac Cabinet. My name is Giancarlo H. Camus. I'm the hipster. Together with my group mates Wilmerson Soto, the hustler, and Jamir Pineda, the hacker. Each of us represent key startup roles, design, business idea, and technology to develop a complete and innovative product. Next.
The problem we are facing right now is a silent thief bypassing every security guard and every alarm system. But the problem we are solving, the thief we are trying to prevent in you in the assets is using a Umilock. It doesn't steal watch from your wrist. It's still the value from the metal. It's the air itself. At 80% humidity, the Philippines atmospheric is a slow acting acid of luxury assets. But may I ask you a question? If you have a collection worth 10 million pesos and you leave it in a high-end wooden cabinet, do you actually own that asset? Or are you just watching it slowly being dissolved? And that's why we created the Umilock to prevent that kind of thief. Next.
Introduction. The Umilac Cabinet is a high-tech storage solution designed to protect valuable items from humidity damage. In the Philippines, humidity level often exceed 80%, which can cause serious damage to collections such as gadgets, documents, and luxury items. Umilac addresses this issue by using advanced preservation technology, including controlled environments and secure storage system. Not just because it is not just a cabinet, but a long-term solution for protecting valuable items. Next. Challenges. Collectors face several major challenges. First is extreme humidity, which accelerates damage like molds, corrosion, and deterioration. Second is asset value loss, where items can lose 30 to 50% of their value due to improper storage. Third, traditional cabinets are ineffective because they lack of proper environmental control and security features. This problem highlight the needs for the advanced and reliable storage solution. Next. Solutions. Umilac provides a solution through advanced features. It uses automated climate control to maintain optimal humidity levels and protect items from environmental damage. It also applies thermoelectric cooling technology to stabilize temperature and prevent deterioration. In addition, it includes biometric security, ensuring only authorized users can access the stored items. These features makes Umilac complete system for both preservation and protection. Next. Market positioning. Umilac is positioned as premium product in a new category of asset preservation technology. It combines advanced engineering and high-level security into one system. The product is designed for elite collectors, investors, and institutions who require reliable protection for high-valuable items. By addressing this specific problem in a unique way, Umilac establishes itself as an innovative and essential solutions in the market. Next.
Investment strategy. SparkTech is planning to invest at least 15 million pesos for Umilac. 15 million pesos is to launch and ensuring robust financial backing for production, marketing, and distribution. And for the 7.5 million pesos, we are producing at least the production of engineering covering research and development and actually the initial manufacturing to meet aerospace. And a budget of 4.5 million pesos for inviting a private collectors, private people that doing a collectors research paper or even though the a scientist. But this one only these slides only show the two. The other one will be shown in the next slides. But first is the engineering cost. This is the engineering cost. It costs at least one unit for 550,000 pesos. And for the invitation, to we are planning to have 4.5 million pesos because it's a private private event like inviting collectors, invite in a showroom, and a private high-end production. And this is the last one I said I'm talking about earlier. The fleet operation, infrastructure, labor, legal, and insurance. This one is for imported and delivery. And if it's around if it's a foreign delivery, it should be at least imported for insurance, imported and import and legal. And actually, we are planning to teach other engineer for this UMILAC features for some troubleshooting. And this is our revenue growth for 1 to 2 years. We are planning to sell at least 27 million pesos. And for the third year is 65 million pesos. And for the 5 year is 180 million pesos. The 27 million pesos costs us at least selling at least 30 units. And for the year 30, additional of 20 units or 20, 30, or even above, like the 5 years is production for at least 80 to 100 units. Why does it's 27 million? The UMLAC costs is 850,000 pesos. The 300,000 pesos is a profit for us. And one 500 and the other condition is it's actually costs 25.5 million pesos for year one and year two. But the additional 1.5 million is come from the SaaS or sub sale software as a service. Next.
Strength of Humilac. First, wind strand extreme conditions. Humilac cabinets can handle hot and humid environments, so the items inside stay safe even when the weather changes a lot. And second is aerospace grade durability. They are made from very strong materials like those used in aircraft, which makes them tough and long lasting. And the third is advanced biometric security. They use fingerprint or biometric technology, so only the right people can open them and access what's inside. Next. Showcasing Humilac cabinets. The Humilac cabinet is made up keep valuable items safe from moisture. It has modern and strong design with advanced features helping protect important things. In short, it is just not a cabinet. It is a smart way to keep items safe. The next is we have here frequently asked questions. First is what is the warranty period of Humilac? The answer is the Humilac cabinet comes with a comprehensive 5 years warranty, covering any manufacturing defects, ensuring peace of mind of our customer. Second is how the subscription model works. Our subscription model works provide access to Humilac provenance ledger offering blockchain verification and atmospheric logs for insurance and authentication billed annually. And the third question is what type of assets can be stored in the UMILAC cabinet? The UMILAC cabinet is designed to store a variety of high-value assets, including rare botanical, research samples, structured items, and collectible that requires precise climate control. And the last is installation included in the purchase? Yes, installation is included in the purchase price, ensuring that each unit is set up correctly by certified technicians in climate control environment. Next.
This is our UMLAC cabinet. And that's all, sir. That's all. Thank you.